Does your brain actually forget pain, and how does it affect healing? The truth might surprise you because pain is more than just a memory. It shapes your recovery in unexpected ways. When you experience pain, your brain creates strong neural connections that store that sensation as a memory. Unlike other memories, pain signals are tightly linked to survival instincts, making them very persistent. However, over time, your brain can reduce the intensity of these memories by rewiring itself, a process called neuroplasticity. This means your brain doesn't fully forget pain but can make it feel less sharp or urgent. This rewiring helps prevent chronic pain from dominating your life, showing how pain memory is both powerful and adaptable. Pain is your body's alarm system. When you get hurt, pain signals tell your brain to protect the injured area and start repairs. If your brain remembers this pain vividly, it can keep you cautious, preventing re-injury. But excessive pain memory can also slow healing by causing stress and tension, which interfere with your body's natural repair processes. Balancing pain memory helps guide you through healing without letting pain become a barrier. In some cases, pain outlives its purpose, becoming chronic. This happens when your brain's pain circuits become overly sensitive or rewired incorrectly. Chronic pain can alter brain chemistry and structure, making pain feel constant even after the injury heals. This rewiring not only creates ongoing discomfort, but also disrupts healing by increasing stress hormones and reducing motivation to move or rest properly. Understanding this brain-pain link is crucial for managing long-term pain. Fortunately, your brain's plasticity means you can retrain it. Mindfulness meditation teaches your brain to observe pain without distress, reducing its emotional weight. Cognitive behavioral therapy can reshape how you interpret pain, breaking negative cycles. Physical therapy encourages movement, which helps your brain update its pain maps and promotes healing. These approaches show that while your brain doesn't fully forget pain, you can guide it to make pain less controlling and improve your recovery. So your brain doesn't actually forget pain, but it can change how you experience and respond to it, playing a crucial role in healing. By understanding this, you can take charge of your recovery. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and keep your brain sharp.